Okay, I don't know how well, from my eyes, this film quality looks bad. This isn't the main camera I use, it's my actual work phone. I forgot the main camera at home because I rushed over here Saturday after working another 50-hour work week to beat the rain. So I mowed it, it looks real good. Luckily no tree limbs. First time this year, by the way. And I still got to beat the rain, but I decided to go ahead and kind of trim this old rose bush. It did come back. So I think during winter I'm going to go ahead and get all that dead off. Make a nice little shape. This one here I thought was dead. It came back too. See right there. I'm going to put it back in nicer shape. And I'm finally going to get some stump killer and kill all these little trees. I'm tired of them coming back year after year after year. But the stump stuff says it takes 6 weeks to work. So I figure if I cut them all down, I can see in the winter and drag them out and then paint them with the stump stuff over winter. It should keep them from coming back. And another short video, but I had to get a new fuel filter for the mower. It wouldn't run without it. That one lasted 5 years with Casey's gas, which is a miracle. And I definitely need to come out here with a pole saw this winter and trim a bunch of these tree limbs back. Then haul them off during the winter. Oh yeah. See, with the old one, it was always full of fuel. And that orange there was completely black. So I guess the problem was the fuel filter. Doesn't seem to be leaking, and I smelled gas at the old fuel filter, and I don't know now. Maybe the plastic, maybe it was bleeding off the plastic. Alright, I gotta go.